welcome back to my channel. So for those of you who are new to my channel, welcome. I'm so excited to have you here. My name is SouthernSophis / Audrey, so definitely call me either. I'm okay with either. For those of you who are returning supporters of my channel, thank you so much for tuning in as always. Absolutely had to come to you guys as promised and give you a general update on this hair that I'm wearing, y'all. If you watched the first video, you already know what hair I'm rocking. But if this is your first time seeing this hairstyle, I am wearing the Bo Locs by Model Model. So we're gonna go ahead and do a final review on that hair today, give you the details, the pros, cons, all the good stuff. So of course, if you would like to see all of that and more, stay tuned. All right, so as I already mentioned, I am wearing the Model Model Bo Locs hair in the color OT30, and it looks like this. Yep. I'm wearing a 12-inch, but this hair comes in 12, 14, and 18 inches, so definitely whatever floats your boat, go for it. But I wanted to do a shorter faux lock this time because I'm always doing the long faux locks. And so I'm super happy I did it because now I'm obsessed. I installed this hair back in July. Yes, you heard me, July 20th to be exact. And I've had it up for officially 7 weeks, y'all. 7 weeks. So that should already tell you, that's pretty much the review right there. I don't even have to continue to go into detail, but I am, because it wouldn't be me if I didn't. I want to say I was right at 5 packs, but definitely reference the first video because I don't know off the top of my head how many packs I used, but it wasn't that many. So some of the pros related to this hair, obviously the first one is longevity. Like I already told you guys, I've had this hair up for officially 7 weeks. That is an extremely long period of time. I'm trying to remember. I think this is the longest I've ever had faux locks up, but I don't want to jinx myself. I'm trying to remember any other faux locks that I've had up this long. But y'all, the longevity of this hair is real. It actually looks better the older it gets. I felt so bad for these past few weeks, y'all, because I ran into people who have real locks and they're like, oh my gosh, how long have you been locking your hair? And they're just asking me questions and I'm like, I wish this was my hair. It's like, it's not my hair, I'm so sorry. I feel like a crook, I feel like a fake, a phony. This is not my hair. But that's how real it looks. Another thing I love that I mentioned in the first video was how lightweight the hair is, you guys. I got this hair wet the first day and then I washed it a couple times of the 7 weeks that I've had it up. And even when I washed it, it just did not weigh the hair down and it dried super quick. So I absolutely love that about the hair. And also the length. Like for me, this is my first time wearing a 12-inch faux lock and I absolutely love the 12 inches because it wasn't a lot to have to deal with. It didn't feel heavy on my neck or my head. Like it was just the perfect length. And so I love this hair so much, I've already bought another color. It is what it is. So anyway, that's the pros related to the hair. So now the cons. So I didn't really have that many cons as I just mentioned. I'm all for this hair, but there were a few things that I definitely think you guys should keep in mind if you decide to get this hair. Alright, so one of the things that I mentioned in the first video that I did not like that still reigns true is the fact that the loop is super difficult to open up wide enough to get into the latch. I don't know what it is about faux locks, but a lot of brands are struggling with figuring out that whole loop situation. So this one is no different. Definitely something to keep in mind if you install the hair. For me, it wasn't that big of a deal, but it was frustrating. Another thing to keep in mind with this hair that's no different than other faux locks is that it does bunch, right? So throughout the time that I had the hair up, I definitely had to separate it each day and just pull it apart like this. So that's definitely something to keep in mind. I will say I haven't really put in any faux locks that does not do that. Like as the older they get, the more they do it. So you just have to keep that in mind in the morning that you might have to separate them. I had to do that probably about 2 times a week. And so it wasn't that big of a deal, but it was something that can be annoying. Outside of that, y'all, the hair is amazing and I definitely recommend it to you guys. If you haven't already tried it, definitely go pick it up. If you're looking for something that's low maintenance, this is the hair for you. Alright, that's really all I have for this video, you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. And again, if you have not hit the subscribe button, definitely do so before jumping out of this video. I love you dearly. And until next time, bye.